Good morning, boys and girls. For math, we're still working on adding in any order, but today we're going to look at how to add in any order using doubles and near doubles. So, whoops, hold on, I'm moving the wrong screen. So remember that a double is just the same number plus itself. I was like, what is not 4 dice on the dominoes? So a double is just any number plus itself. So here, I'm not looking at over here. So looking at the dominoes, there's 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Doubles facts are facts that we should know quickly. Kind of just by looking at them or maybe thinking for a second. But those are facts that we should know quickly, and knowing those facts quickly is going to help us solve other math problems too. So that's why we're looking at doubles. 5 plus 5 equals 10. What about 4 plus 4? Equals 8, right? And then 3 plus 3 equals 6. Good job. I'm just going to squeeze through all this. Sometimes I drag this out. So I do want to look at here. And remember when we were looking at near doubles and we drew this rectangle around our counters to show that this is a double, but then there's one more that we have to add. And this is what they're doing here, but they're showing you that you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first. 5 and then plus 4. Or they're showing you that you can do 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5. So it can be in any order. It doesn't matter what number is first. And then they drew the box around. So if we were using this one, they drew the box around this one down here because there's blanks. So if we were looking at 5 plus 4, we would still draw the box right here to say, okay, these are doubles because each red has a yellow that it matches with. Okay, so I drew my box. So this is 4 plus 4. But then, once I figure out 4 plus 4, I still have to add this one that's left. Okay? So looking at right here, they use the yellow counters first, and there's 4 of them. And then there's 5 red ones. So they're showing 4 plus 5. And this is a little confusing how they write the equation like this, 4 plus 5. What they want you to write here is the doubles fact. So it would be 4 plus 4 and then plus 1, right? Because we still have this one right here that we have to add. Okay, so we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we still have to add this one here too. So what is 4 plus 4? We just said it in the warm-up. It's 8, right? So what's 8 plus 1? 8 plus 1 is 9. Good job. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So I want you to practice this one. I want you to pause the video, use your whiteboard, and write 3 plus 4 equals, and then fill in these blanks, and then 3 plus 4 equals, and then write your answer. Go ahead and pause and take a second to try this one. All right, did you pause and try to figure it out? Okay, so to complete this, first we're using our counters to help us show the problem. So our first number is 3, and there's 3 yellow counters. Our second number is 4, so there is 4 red counters. I see that these yellow and red have matching counters. They line up with each other and they have a partner. So I'm going to draw a box around these counters. Okay. So the first thing that I'm adding is my 3 yellow and my 3 red. 3 yellow plus this 1 extra red, right? 1 extra red. So what is 3 plus 3? What did you say? It's 6. And what's 1 more? 7, right? Because it's easy to do plus 1 because it's just whatever comes after it when we count. Good job. Okay, let's try 1 more. And then I'm going to let you work on your practice pages. So this is finding 3 plus 2. And this time, oh, I guess it was the same for last time too. Never mind. So let's look. A red 1, 2. There's 2 red counters. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 yellow counters. This red counter has a matching yellow. This red has a matching yellow. So I'm going to draw my box around here to show that these are doubles because they have matching. Okay. So they did the doubles fact for us. 2 plus 2. And that's what we have represented inside of this blue box. Plus 1, which is this yellow one that's outside of the box, right? So what is 2 plus 2? It's 4. And what's 4 plus 1? 5. So if 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5, what does 3 plus 2 equal? It also equals 5. Good job. All right. I want you to practice this using your practice pages. And then next week, we're going to have one of our class Zoom meetings is going to be adding in any order practice. So we're all going to practice together. You guys are going to have the opportunity to talk to each other, to help each other out with strategies, and just to see how other people are doing it too. I hope that this does make sense to you, but if you do have any questions, please write them down so that way you can bring them to our meeting and we can all talk about them, because I bet someone else has the same question too. Have a good day, guys.